Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy, where we put our bags up against each other. We both get a Ipsy Glam bag, and this month it looks like mine's a little damaged right there, but it looks like this. You can see it. It kind of has a spider web image on it, and it is black. It is kind of a faux leather. It has this purple trim here, and
there's a little spider on the zipper pull.
Yeah, let me see this. There's a little bitty spider. I hate spiders. And it says Ipsy on the back. And yeah, so it's a really cute bag this month. And the theme is Halloween.
Ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month. Welcome to Ipsy's Halloween, where we've conjured up everything you'll need for frightfully flawless skin and ghoulishly glam looks, all in a bewitching bag design you voted for. Did you vote for this? I don't remember voting for this.
Who votes for these?
I don't know. Somebody. Not me, though.
I never get asked to vote for anything.
We're obviously not, Ipsy's kind of people.
Okay, so we just take it product by product, and I think I've got a very good bag this month. I think I will probably be the winner.
Confidence, I see.
Yeah, I don't have, okay, I have one skincare item, but I think it's pretty good. Okay, first we take the items, what'd you get? First we take the items that we picked. Yours might be a pretty good bag too. Oh, you got something I got. Oh no, you got a thing too. Okay. All right. So the item I picked this month was the Glam Babe eyeshadow palette from Trend Beauty, and it looks like this. Really pretty.
Sparkly. Shimmery anyway.
Lots of shimmers.
Glam Babe.
Very shimmer heavy. It's got some neutral mattes in it. But I'm more interested in what you got from Beauty Creations there. Is that something you picked?
No, this is what I picked.
Okay.
That wasn't a choice. The thing that I picked was the Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara from Dido, I think. I got that too. Okay, well, I don't... Obviously that beats this.
Okay. Anyway, I think this is really cool.
Yeah, that's neat.
But should I swatch some of them?
It's up to you.
Okay. I'm interested in this chic shade here. This kind of bluish purple shade. I guess that's a shimmer. It's it's not like a metallic shimmer. Like here is Dazzle. Like that's a metallic shimmer.
Yeah, think of it as shimmer and a shimmer.
Yeah, there's shimmers and then there's shimmers. This is high main. How do you say that? High maintenance.
High matinee.
High matinee.
Like high maintenance. I don't know what they're going for with that exactly.
And then here's a matte shade. Let's see how that. Oh, that matte shade. It's a little flaky, but it swatches really well.
Bossy and saucy.
Let's see. Here's Bossy. Oh, I like that. Okay, that's a pretty good palette. Okay, I think I get that point.
Mm-hmm. You like Bossy? Yeah, you do.
Okay.
So I'll pull this one for the next one.
Okay, you show what you got.
Okay.
Because that looks nice.
So I got the Beauty Creations.
I love Beauty Creations.
Hot Fire eyeshadow palette. Careful opening it. Ah.
Cool.
They have the little rectangular ones. So it's all fire themed names: Spark, Flare Up, Toast, Fuego.
That's what it looks like.
So kind of more
Very warm,
earth tone,
very warm colors.
warm earth tone shimmers and mattes, and not real bright of colors. Good kind of mid neutral or
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. I like it.
Why don't you swatch them?
Inferno.
Are you gonna swatch them? Or are you gonna?
Nah, it's okay.
Okay.
So
I like my palette.
So that could go up against your mascara of the identical type.
I've got the Dido mascara too. So I think the palette wins. Okay, you've got a pretty good bag too, it looks like. Okay,
Tension.
so we got the same item here. This is Skylar, Pink Canyon, pink salt, grapefruit, and cedar.
Stop.
What is this, a roll-on? Yeah. Oh. Not my favorite Skylar fragrance. I'd have to see how it dries down.
Oh my god, don't her. This smells like canyons. But what does a canyon smell like?
I can smell the grapefruit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a mix. It's interesting.
Kind of, what am I smelling there? Is that the grapefruit?
Here's the description here.
Okay.
The sun dips low under watercolor clouds, bathing the hills in a wash of unexpected brilliance. A scent to enjoy, the unforgettable feeling of a gentle sunset anytime you wish. Gentle sunset, Jennifer. Gentle sunset. Layers well with sun shower and magic bloom.
What's that?
I'm guessing that's other scents that they have.
There's a distinct smell I'm smelling. I like it, but I am so bad with describing fragrances.
I'm even worse than you. Smells pretty.
Okay.
Sort of.
The next thing I have is Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter, which I've heard Kopari is a very good brand. So, what do you have?
I have Feel Vitamin E Balm. This is feel.com.
What is that?
Can you feel it?
So what is it?
It's vitamin E balm
Like
for your vitamin E.
like a lip balm?
Let's see where this is supposed to go. I think the description thing has it here.
Oh, it smells really good.
When it comes to multitasking, this balm sets the bar high. A combo of castor seed oil and sunflower wax instantly soothes dry lips by locking in moisture.
Lips.
Hero ingredient vitamin E is rich in protective antioxidants and replenishing fatty acids. Tip, apply this under a thorough matte lipstick to keep your lips moisturized.
Let me read about mine. Who doesn't want buttery soft skin? Thanks to this whipped body butter, your skin will be smoother than you ever imagined without being greasy. It's packed with hydrated hyaluronic acid, coconut oil, and antioxidant-rich plant extracts to deeply moisturize and help protect.
Here, let's go back to the Skylar one real quick. Let your senses transport you to a tranquil retreat somewhere in the hills of Malibu. Get lost. Don't worry, we mean figuratively. And the heady aroma of the calming cedar, grounding pig salt, and fresh pink grapefruit that make up this trilliating scent. A tip, when applying to your wrist, be sure to tap, not rub them together to help the scent last.
Yeah, don't rub your wrists together. I found that out.
Jennifer, I run!
Stop it. Okay. So, do you think it's a tie?
I like yours better on that one.
Okay, I get the point. So, I'm ahead by 1 point. Okay, the last thing I've got is the Cosmetic Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick in Bubbly.
Bubbly.
So let's open this up.
I like how that opens. I like when the wrapping does that.
So this looks like a kind of hot pink kind of color.
The Cosmetic.
That is the color.
That's a good color.
Yeah. What did you get?
Pear Nova Classic Lacquer. That is kind of green.
Oh man.
This would be a better like spring one though, or something. Getting into fall now. This is a nice color though. Kind of greeny, kind of halfway between green and teal. Got just a little bit of blue to it.
Well, I don't do. Well, sometimes I do nail stuff, but
You win because makeup beats nail polish.
makeup beats nail polish.
Makeup beats
We
nail
did
polish.
make that rule. So.
I know all the rules.
So yeah. So I think
You win that one.
I win this.
You're like rolling in the points, baby.
I think I win this month. What do you think? Do you think that nail polish beats a lipstick? Do you think lip balm beats hand cream?
Do you want to smell like a canyon? And really, who doesn't?
Do you think mascara beats eyeshadow? What is your opinion? Who do you think had the better bag? We think that I won this.
Would you rather be a glam babe or be on fire? Ah!
Beauty Creations does have a good formula. I have no idea if Glam Babe has a good formula or not. So, yeah. Okay, that is it for this month's Ipsy versus Ipsy. And yeah, thank you for joining us on my channel. I do a lot of subscription unboxings. I love doing all things makeup related. I do cooking videos occasionally, and sometimes I do like to talk about mental health. If you are interested in any of that, or say you're interested in all of that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe. And
sometimes I like to come on and just be obnoxious.
and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. Check me out down below, and in the description box, I am on Instagram, I am on Twitter, I am on TikTok.
Down below.
And we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have that kind of a day. Please leave a comment, leave a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And if you're having an especially hard day, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And we will both see you in another video tomorrow. Okay, just stay well until then. Goodbye.